God didn't give you that business idea to frustrate you. He placed it in your heart because He knows what's possible and He's already made a way. You might not have all the answers. You might be wondering where the resources will come from, who will support you, or how it will all work out. But here's the truth. You don't need to know everything to begin. Faith doesn't require full clarity. It requires obedience. That first step, even if it's small, is a step toward the breakthrough you've been praying for. God sees your heart. He sees your efforts, and He's not expecting perfection. He's looking for your trust. So take a deep breath. Start where you are. Use what you have, and notice He's already gone ahead of you.